Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're first time here, on this channel I'm testing different trading strategies and showing which of them are working and which of them are not, based on the backtesting of the historical data. Today I'm going to test new indicator which called ATR Trend indicator, and I will test it on the 1 minute time frame on the BTC USDT on the ByBit exchange. So let's go to the TradingView and build a strategy. First of all, please check that you're using BTC USDT.P ByBit pair for 1 minute time frame. Now let's add the indicator, which is ATR Trend indicator. So that's the one. So click on it and you will get it on your trading panel. And now let me briefly explain how ATR Trend indicator works. So ATR basically showing you the average price of the instrument for the last few days. In our case, it's last 14 days. And those green and red bands are showing you the probability that price will go up or down based on the current price. So when you can see this yellow triangle mark below green bands, means the price was trying to cross the average price but then pulled back, and we have a momentum of price potentially going up, so we can take a long position. The same when we have red band and we have a purple triangle mark, that's a potential signal for us to take a short position. And as you can see, those marks are showing quite accurately the moment when the price having the pullback from the average price and then slightly going down, which is exactly what we need for our scalping strategy, because our target today not to have one trade with a high profitability, but have many small trades with a small portion of the profit in each of the trade. Now let me build a trading strategy based on this indicator to see, based on historical data, what would be our profitability if we would use this indicator for trading for last a few months. Okay, now our trading strategy is ready. Let's save it and let's add it to our chart. Okay, here we are, 72.25% profitability, which is not that bad for the beginning. Let's check a few trades. Okay, now we can see, for example, on the 8th March, we had a few trades. So as you can see, we entered the trade during pullback as we expected and took our profit on the 100 pips. So now let's look at our profitability trend. As you can see, it's not consistent. Sometimes we're going up, sometimes it's going down. So that's why I will add one more indicator to confirm our initial signal, and I will use average directional index indicator, which is showing you the strength of the trend. The basic rule which I'm usually following is to enter any trades only when ADX signal more than 20. So that's what I want to implement in our existing trading strategy. Now let's save it and let's see if our results anyhow change. And yes, as we can see, our profitability became much more consistent and also increased up to 76.44 profitable trades. But let's not stop here and let's add one more indicator, which is relative strength index, which you probably already know. This indicator helps us to understand if the instrument which we are trading are oversold or overbought. And we will use very simple rule. We will go into the long position when RSI less than 50, and we will go into the short position when RSI only more than 60. Let's save it and let's see our results. And we have our profitability increased even further to 82.27%. Now let's check one of the trades, and based on example, let's understand how we can use this indicator for our daily trading. As you can see, indicator showing you the sell signal, which is potentially a good time to take the short position. And as you can see, this one was profitable trade. And the same for the long position. You have buy signal showing you potentially good time to enter long position. Now let me add also the menu to configure all those parameters. So you'll be able to change RSI and ADX parameters in the menu of the TradingView, as I am showing you on the screen right now. And I'm also changed the ADX parameter slightly, so you can see that performance increased up to 83.49%. I will put this indicator and the trading strategy on my Gumroad, and I'll put the link in the description below. You can also consider joining my Patreon to be able to access all my existing trading strategies as well as all new strategies which I'm working on now. You will also have access to our Discord channel where you can ask your questions and suggest ideas for the new trading strategies. And now let me show you how you can fully automate your trading strategies and connect them to your broker to automatically execute your trading signals. So we're going to use the alarm functionality and URL webhook option. So this option is available if you're using TradingView Pro version. Now we're going to use TradeAdapter.com, which is connecting your TradingView with your broker. We're going to the instructions and we'll use the ByBit demo account to execute our trade. So we're going to API and we need to create API key. So we can put anything here and we will use the read and write. Here you have to tick everything and you can remove all these unnecessary requirements and put submit. Then you can put this authentication and you'll have the access to your key, API key and API secret. So just copy it somewhere and then just follow the instructions here. So here's the message which you have to copy and paste into your alarm, and need to change the trade adapter key. So you can find it in the menu of your profile. Just copy it here and paste it in your TradingView alarm, and then copy API key from your ByBit account and copy API secret from your ByBit account as well. And that's it. Now you can just save it, but before that you need to change the notification line. Notification should be equal to depends on the broker which you're using. So if you're using them account for the ByBit, just copy this line and paste it here. Now press create and you created your alarm. So now your TradingView strategy connected to your broker, and when the signal is generated, as you can see, we're going to the demo account and we created an order. So we went into the long position. So it's fully automated and you can close your laptop and go for a walk. You don't need to sit in front of your computer and wait for the right time to enter the trade. So if you're part of my Patreon community, you can get access to the Trade Adapter absolutely for free. If you're not yet ready to join us, you can access it separately. Just go to the TradeAdapter.com and register there. And I guess that's all what I plan to share with you today. So don't forget to hit the like button if the video was useful for you. Check the links in description below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.